All tea, no shade, but the box, not as nice as the Theragun box. Okay, y'all, today is the day. I'm so excited. I will be unboxing the DYSON SUPERSONIC hair dryer, blow dryer. This is kind of like my second unboxing. I unboxed it before, but this might just be a extra in-depth close-up view. I want to show y'all up close and what's inside the box. Don't mind my skin, don't mind my hair. It's been like a long day. I'm getting better at doing my hair, and hopefully this can help out. But yeah, I'm super excited. I will be opening the DYSON SUPERSONIC and showing y'all what's inside, all of the contents and everything. I got the Prussian blue and gold model. It's like the limited edition model, and I never seen a blue and a gold one before, so I was like, ooh, that's cute, so I bought it. How does that Ariana song go? I want it, I got it. It came with all of these attachments, the flat head, this one, the diffuser, the comb attachment, and this new smoother one. But yeah, I'm gonna set this guy up and then show y'all. Can unbox it. One sec, technical difficulties. I gotta set this up. All tea, no shade, but the box, not as nice as the Theragun box or the Apple boxes. The packaging could probably be a little nicer for how much you're paying for it, but I guess I'm not paying for the box, I'm paying for the physical device, but okay, y'all, so this is the power cord. As you can see, it is pretty long. So yeah, I'm just holding it now, just showing y'all how long the cord is. And I want to say it's about like 10 feet long. I'm 5'7", and that's the cord like at its half length. So I'm gonna say it's 10 feet long. It comes with a 2-prong outlet, which is pretty nice. So you don't need, you don't need the 3-pronged one. This is the device. Super nice. It has 3 different fan speeds, 3 different heat settings, the on-off switch, and the cool shot button. There's only 4 buttons on this device. Well, I guess 3 buttons. and one switch. So now I'm gonna plug in the blow dryer. That was a quick sound test, and here are the attachments again. So now I'm just checking. Honestly, y'all, I'm so excited to try this one out. This is the comb attachment. I heard some really great things about how you can get really close to the root of your hair because this triangle shape allows you to get really close to the scalp. Also, I really like how all the attachments turn and twist. Correction. It's actually kind of annoying that the wide tooth comb attachment twists because I'm not able to create adequate tension with my hair, but that's the only attachment I find problems with. All the other attachments are cool with the rotating feature. I'm pretty sure they twist. That one twists. This one twists. Literally all of them twist. Now let's take a look at these comb set. They really got me with this limited edition like bundle deal, package deal, because it not only came with all of the attachments, all 5 attachments, including the new flatten one. It came with this comb. Just literally so much packaging. Came with this flat brush. Ooh, it's kind of cute. I feel like it could be a little heavier, but the handle, this is like a pretty solid handle. This comb is kind of flexible. Let me see. I guess that's kind of good. It seems like it's the same material as this plastic here, in the same shape as this one attachment. So, interested, excited to use these. Yeah, that was the opening, the review of this Dyson. I'm literally so excited to use it. We got the brush, we got the attachments. And this color is honestly so cute. Like, I've never seen a blue and a gold one, so I just had to spoil myself, you know? Treat yourself. But I can't wait to be rocking my hair stretched out. If y'all don't see no tutorials, write me in the comments. Please come for me. But yeah, I can't wait to rock my hair stretched out. I heard some great things about this Dyson, so when I use it more and get a little better, y'all will see more videos. Okay. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be notified when I post again. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.